I will make this very, very brief. The title of this TikTok this evening is Nigeria and America. The audacity of a country that its government is shut down, is lecturing another country, is diabolical. I will put this to the world right now. I am disappointed with the response from the Nigerian government over Trump's comments. I truly recognize that there are Christians, but not only Christians, Muslims also dying in Nigeria. But America is in no position to lecture us, to lecture Africa, to lecture Nigeria. Trump is in no position. He should focus on making sure his government is open. He should focus on releasing the Epstein fines. I will say this not once, not twice. We are going to support Nigeria. Trump is claiming that he's worried about Christians in Nigeria. I will put it to you right now that Trump pretends that he's a Christian. He is an oil Christian. He's a Christian who's after oil. It is that simple. America should sort itself out. Remember, he said that Africa is a shithole. And for those Americans watching me here now, Nigeria is a country in Africa. I won't repeat myself. Donald Trump should focus really on sorting out his country. It's that simple. It is that simple. The audacity of Donald Trump to threaten Nigeria. And I am not happy with President Tinubu's response. We must, all African countries, must get ready because we understand that for America to focus on Nigeria and to list Nigeria as a particular country of concern means they are after the oil of Nigeria. It is that simple. They are after the oil of Nigeria. And the Nigerian armed forces should get ready immediately. The Nigerian armed forces should get ready immediately because Trump has his eyes on the oil in Nigeria. It is that simple. Don't get me wrong. Nigeria needs to sort out its security problems. It's not just Christians who are being killed in Nigeria. It's Muslims as well. And for Trump to turn this into a religious issue, I don't know who is advising him. It is not religious. It is a terrorist act by the Boko Haram. And they are killing Nigerians, Muslims and